Hello everybody, my name is Michael, and today I will be showing you guys how to emulate the DS in 2026. So let's go straight into the video. If you guys want to see more stuff like how to emulate the Wii or the Wii U or 3DS, comment down below and I'll find that how to do that, and then I'll make a video for it. Because I've only emulated the DS, so I can easily explain to you guys how to do it. So when you get into Google, search up Melon DS. Yeah, once you search it up, you have like the actual website, and then you have like the downloads. You want to click download and then scroll down until you see like this area right here on the screen page. Depending on what software or what PC you're running, if you're on a Windows laptop or PC, you want to use Windows 64. If you're on a Mac, then you want to use Mac OS Universal. But since I'm not on Mac, I'm on Windows. Let's click this to download Melon DS. Now that you got your zip file here, we have the actual like emulator here right now. So you can double click this to open it, and it will put you right into the emulator. This is the emulator. Now, obviously, if you want to actually play a game, you're going to have a ROM file. So I'll show you guys how to get a ROM file real quick so that we can just test a game. So I like to use this website right here, romsgames.net. Once you get onto here, you can find your games for your Nintendo DS or even like Game Boy Advance, which is pretty cool, honestly. You got a whole bunch of different like ROMs. So I'm gonna do New Super Mario Bros. Because it's just a classic DS game that like a lot of people know. Once we get onto it, we're gonna click Save Game, and then after you do that, it will put you down to this, and it'll say your download is starting. Your download is started, and now it will your download started. Check the download area in your browser. You can see here it's downloading the New Super Mario Bros. .zip file. Whatever game that you're downloading, let's say if you're doing Mario Kart, for example, it should say Mario Kart DS.zip or just Mario Kart. But since we downloaded New Super Mario Bros., it's going to be New Super Mario Bros. So yeah, honestly, I already did this from before. So once that is done, you're gonna open it, and this is what you'll get over here. Now, if we go back into Melon DS, let's just exit. We already downloaded it. We go back into Melon DS. We go to File, Open ROM, and then if you go to New Super Mario Bros., you will have it run. Now, here it is. Let's really quickly. Okay, maybe let's like quit out of this and go back in, because there's a couple things that we could do to make this a better experience. Actually, no, let's just go back into the ROM. Never mind. So it's as simple as this, but okay. So all right. Okay, I'm just gonna turn down the volume for now. So now that we actually have the ROM working, you can go into video settings. What I like to use is OpenGL Classic, and you can change the native resolution. As you can see, it gets really like nice for the resolution, but it can like slow down your game, drop FPS. So I recommend, if you want to like play this emulator without dropping FPS and making the game run slower, just try out natives. Try out you can go up in natives until like eventually gets to a point. Because obviously the higher the native, it's gonna get like really hard. As you can see, Mario's running really slow. We're on 37 FPS. So but if we just run on the regular, then we're on 60. So what I will say, make sure you limit your frame rate in this game so that when you're playing, it doesn't go over 60, because this game is meant to play on 60. And then video settings, or not my fault. You can go into view, screen layout. You can change the view. So this is what it would look like on your DS actually. You can change like, yeah, natural and vertical are the same. You got horizontal, which isn't bad looking, but like I'd not use this when I when I want to record these videos coming up. I'm probably gonna use hybrid, because you get the main screen and you get on the left and right in the DS. So you get like the DS view, but also the top main screen view of the actual game. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions below, maybe you want to see other like tips or settings that you can change in here. Um, Now what I will say is that the software, you can't change native resolution, so that's why I recommend using OpenGL. OpenGL Compute Shader, I heard that this slowly just relies on your graphics card. So if you have a really good graphics card, you could use this, but even if you did, I would recommend just relying on your CPU and GPU so that it just balances out. But yeah, that's how, like, if you're playing Mario, you can see some people, if they're emulating it or if they're playing like a DS version but it looks really good, they might be using Melon DS or emulator to make it look really good by upscaling the native resolution to make it look even better. But yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, you want to see how to emulate the Wii U, 3DS, comment down below, and I got you guys. But yeah, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, peace out.